this one because they're gonna blend it. So I'm gonna go probably but let me show you something. The technique I want to show you is different today. We're gonna break the clips right there. So what I'm gonna do, we have a 1 and 2 clips. Third one, I'm gonna do this. Check it out. We're gonna just go inside. As we see, we have the line inside, so we pull back. This is in case you don't want to cut the pillar. Okay, so the first line is inside. The second line maybe don't make any sense, but does. Right there. Okay, we got this one. So this is, we're gonna use retract the line this way and come back. Okay, okay, you see how the line is? Back. Don't lust. We're going no cross because that's gonna be more difficult. We're gonna just cut this way. We're gonna break the clip. This one's gonna break this one. So I'm going here. Okay. The second loop. Okay. And the third loop. We're going here. And this one, because remember we go this way, we're gonna cut that direction. And we finish here. Well, we have the orange bag. Okay. So let's start here. Okay, so what you see now, we couldn't press the top, not the bottom, and you see the clips are breaking. And now it's more easy. Go all the way in. So now, today we're doing is, one line is making the cut, because two, they're anchored here and here. You heard the first breaking, but there you go. You see the second anchor coming? Now we're gonna break the clip. There you go. You hear the knot. Let me see if I can show you the clips. You see, this part still is attached. Let me show you, because it's a little difficult to explain the technique, because my English is not really good. But as you see, we cut all the way here, but still we have two clips. So we're gonna break it. Alright, so that's the technique. So you have to break the more easy, and the last is going to be the clips. Okay, there you go. It's coming. Alright, and we don't have to cut the pillar. Okay, of course the glue is easy, as you see. So in other words, what we did is just go inside here, back this way, go backwards, come 1, 2, and that one I climb over there, and these ones go back over there. So that's why the clip is going to break more easy. Go this direction, that direction, because if we cross the line and try to just crunch the clips, these corners are so hard. Of course this is not really too much glue, but you know. Okay guys, so we're finished. Thank you so much. Sorry about if the explanation is confused. My English is not very good. My technique is a little crazy, but works. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you next time. Thank you.